Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this file infographic and PowerPoint in just 3 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like these. First of all, what you're gonna do is open up a blank slide, completely blank, and you're gonna go for my background and insert a picture from your device. So I'm gonna use this picture of library books and be sure to use a higher resolution image for a good impression of the presentation. Now go to insert tab and shapes, insert a rounded cornered rectangle and you're gonna place it right here, remove its outline and you're gonna make it full more rounder, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D, and then you're gonna decrease the size, width and length of the duplicated rounded corner rectangle and place it on top of this larger rectangle. You're gonna adjust it that it looks like one shape with no corners being visible when these shapes overlap. So we're gonna do something like this. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab and insert this triangle right here that it makes a slope-like structure on one end of the rounded corner rectangle. Select all of the shapes, go to Shape Format and Merge option and click on Union. Change the file's color to yellow. I'm going to use bright yellow for the file color. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl J about 3 times and you're going to select all of them and adjust them, decrease their size and put them into the middle and the center with each of them having the same distance. And there you go. Now we're going to go to Insert tab and we're going to insert a rounded corner rectangle right here and we're gonna give it an outline of black color and give it a fill of white color. Now let's send it to the back, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl D and placing it on the other shapes as well. Select all of them and send them to the back. Now we're gonna duplicate this template and we're gonna move this file somewhat down the slide and we're gonna expand the size of the white rectangle. We're gonna select our text and copy it and paste it onto this white extension of the white rectangle. There you go. Next, we're gonna duplicate the slide and we're gonna do the same for the second file, moving it down and expanding the size of the white rounded corner rectangle. Let's copy our text again and let's duplicate it by pressing Ctrl G and placing it onto the white shape that is a white rectangle. And there you go. Now let's duplicate this template again. We're gonna move the file downwards, the third one file, and we're gonna move the text onto the white rectangle that we have expanded. Next, we're gonna select one of them and give it to transition and give it morph transition and then apply it to all. Duplicate the first slide and move it downwards in the last to make a better impression. So this is the final result. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing stuff and videos like these. You can check out my YouTube Patreon to get more stuff like these.